Want stronger legs even at 90? Eat this every day. Dear beloved friends in the 100 years strong family, imagine this. Your legs, those faithful pillars that have carried you through life's greatest joys, toughest trials, and every precious moment with loved ones, remaining rock-solid strong even at 90. No more wobbling chairs, breathless stairs, or walks that drain your spirit. Today I am delivering to you a heavenly blessing straight from nature's kitchen. Eat this every day and watch God's gifts rebuild your legs from the inside out. Your legs are getting weaker, silently like a whisper in the wind, but you might not feel it yet. One day, rising from your favorite chair takes a little extra push. Months later, stairs steal your breath. Short strolls to the garden feel like marathons. This isn't just aging, my friend. It's sarcopenia, that sneaky muscle loss robbing your balance, fading your independence, and spiking your fall risk sky high. But hear this good news, a true blessing. It's never too late. Right now, from your own kitchen table, you can reclaim your strength. Exercise matters, yes. But what you eat is the divine fuel that rebuilds faster, protects deeper, and blesses you with vitality for years. In this life-changing video, I'm unveiling 6 blessed foods, science-backed miracles, to restore muscle power, shield your bones, and keep your legs strong, flexible, and full of holy life well into your golden years. Watch to the end, because Atraka 1 is already in most seniors' kitchens, but almost no one eats it the blessed way to unlock its full power. Before we dive into this treasure trove, share your blessing with me. How old are you, and where are you watching from? Let's celebrate our global family tuning in from kitchens, rocking chairs, and sunny porches worldwide. All right, radiant warriors, let's claim your blessing. Here are the 6 divine foods to keep your legs blessedly strong, flexible, and alive. There are 6, sweet potatoes, the eternal fuel blessing that keeps your legs moving with joy. When it comes to blessed legs, energy is your holy fire, but not junky bursts that crash you. Oh no. Sweet potatoes deliver long-lasting, heaven-sent power that fuels your muscles for hours, letting you walk with grace, climb with confidence, and stand tall like a tree rooted in faith. As years bless us with wisdom, our muscles store energy less efficiently. Groceries feel heavy, hills steal your sparkle. Sweet potatoes fix this divinely. Bursting with complex carbohydrates, they provide steady, spike-free fuel. That bright orange heart holds vitamin A, speeds recovery, melts soreness. Potassium stabilizes contractions, hydrates like a gentle rain. And beta-carotene, a cellular warrior fighting inflammation that steals your strength. Your gut? Blessed too. Fiber ensures every nutrient flows to your legs. Roast 'em golden, mash with love, toss in soups or salads. Their sweet kiss pairs with anything. Every bite a step toward farther, freer strides. Praise the blessing of sweet potatoes. 5. Oats, the endurance blessing for legs that never tire. Oats, more than breakfast, they're a sacred endurance elixir for we seniors. Legs fading midday, heavy on stairs. Oats rebuild your holy stamina. Aging dims our energy stability, but oats' slow-release carbs gift all-day strength. No crashes, just blessed power for walks, gardens, life's dances. They rebuild muscle with plant protein, boosting balance and stability. Iron rushes oxygen to legs. Magnesium melts cramps, stiffness, that heavy ache. Bye-bye night cramps. Circulation flows freer, recovery soars. Warm mornings, smoothie blends, baked delights. Oats whisper strength into every step. What a generous blessing. Number 4. Avocados, the flexibility blessing and cramp-crushing guardian. Avocados. Trendy? No. A timeless blessing for pain-free, flexible legs. Stiffness creeping in. Morning aches. Avocados banish it with monounsaturated fats, calming inflammation, cradling muscles and joints like a mother's embrace. More potassium than bananas, cramp-proof your nights. Vitamin E repairs wear, eases fatigue. Circulation blessed, energy endless. Toast topper, smoothie silk, guac joy, or simple salted. Weekly devotion yields smoother moves, 0 cramps, legs alive forever. Hallelujah for avocados. Number 3. Berries, the muscle-protecting, Anti-aging, powerhouse, blessing. Aging, inevitable. Weakness, not with berries shield. Free radicals, stress, inflammation attack daily. Stiff knees, sore legs, fatigue. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. Nature's mightiest guardians. Antioxidants shield muscles, speed recovery. Inflammation flees, joints rejoice. Vitamin C weaves collagen blessings, firm tendons, youthful flex. Circulation surges, tiredness vanishes. Plus sharper mind. Handful in oats, yogurt, smoothies, or pure. Sweet vitality for body and soul. Berries, food of angels. Friends, if this blessing touches your heart, like, subscribe to Senior Vital Health for more heavenly tips post 60. How's your health shining? Comment below. We adore you. Super thanks fuels our mission. Your love blesses us back. Or 2. Salmon, the muscle rebuilding and circulation boosting miracle. Your legs bear your entire blessed weight daily, but rebuilding slows. Salmon restores it. Premium protein repairs, omega-3s, inflammation's nemesis, free joints, boost flow, oxygen floods in, energy soars, nerves sharpen, B12 converts food to pure power, 2 to 3 servings weekly, grilled glory, baked beauty, canned ease, rebuild, recharge, rise. Salmon, a sea scent blessing. Number 1. Eggs, the complete strength blessing. Doctors and nutritionists agree. Eggs, small, simple, affordable, best rebuild strength post 60. Sarcopenia fades with complete protein, all 9 aminos for repair and growth. Top natural vitamin D source, battles fatigue, weakness, falls. Choline sinks nerves muscles for steady, swift steps. B-vits, antioxidants, fats protect and energize. 1-2 daily, scramble sunshine, boil blessings, veggie medley. Consistency unlocks eternity. Eggs, the simplest, strongest foundation. Eggs FAQs, your blessing blueprint. All 6 daily? No, dear one. Mix weekly for consistent miracles. Best time? Mornings bless most, steady fuel all day. Anytime works. Together? Yes. Food synergy, oats plus berries, salmon avocado, nutrients dance in harmony. Exercise? Light moves activate, stretches, walks, chairlifts. Nourish plus move. Divine rebirth, holy recap, claim it. Blessed food key, heavenly gift, sweet potatoes, long-lasting energy, swift recovery, oats, steady strength, cramp-free joy, avocados, flexibility, stiffness banished berries antioxidant shield, joint youth salmon muscle rebuild, flowing vitality, eggs complete power, your number 1. Closing blessing and sacred disclaimer. These 6 form your natural fortress against weakness. Start today. Feel lighter steps, unshakable balance, confident stride in weeks. Sacred note. Educational blessing only. Consult your doctor before changes, especially with conditions or meds. Your safety is paramount. Legs, your life's foundation. Strong ones. Independent, mobile, in control. 1 change weekly. Sweet potato dinner. Berry breakfast, each bite invests in eternal freedom. Final heavenly CTA, like if blessed, subscribe for more. Super thanks, your gift multiplies ours.